Hi guys, I'm at a Science Center Singapore right now, and then the Fire Tornado show is starting quite soon, and during my video, part of it will be time-lapse, okay? So please enjoy the video.
So I have two safety announcements to make. Firstly, please ensure you are 3 to 5 steps away from this glass chamber. This is to allow ventilation for our fire and to ensure safety between you and the fire. Secondly, in case of any fire emergencies, there are 2 evacuation exits. The first one is right in front of me through the main car park area. Second emergency exit is on my right to the loading and unloading main car park. At all times, please do not run back into the science center. Alright? So, let's talk about the fire first. What do we use fire for? Anyone?
Cooking!
We use fire to cook. And we also use fire to keep us warm, right, during the cold weather. But since we are here in the Science Center, what is fire in science? Alright, fire is a chemical reaction using 3 important ingredients. Now, can anybody tell me what are the 3 important ingredients required for fire?
Oxygen, fuel, and heat.
We need fuel, right? First ingredient we need is fuel. And fuel can come in 3 different forms. Firstly, in solid form like paper or charcoal, liquid form like petroleum, or in gas form like natural gases. Now, what will be the second ingredient? We need oxygen, that's right. Oxygen will be our second ingredient, and oxygen is found in the air around us. Now we have fuel, we have oxygen. What will be the last ingredient required for fire?
Heat.
We need the heat source. Thank you. We need a heat source, or as we call it, the initial spark. Now, without any one of these ingredients, a fire will not be able to form. So for my first demonstration, I have some lycopodium powder on this petri dish. And lycopodium powder comes from the spores of Moses, which is a type of first plant. And now lycopodium powder are high in oil content, and they are used in fireworks. Now the lycopodium powder will be my source of fuel. Second ingredient we need is oxygen, and oxygen is found in the air around us. Last but not least, we need the initial spark, and the initial spark will come from my lighter. Now, we have all these 3 ingredients. We will be able to see fire, right? Alright, so let's start with the people on my left. So when I count to 3, I'm going to light the lycopodium on fire, alright? Tell me if you see the lycopodium catching on fire, alright? 1, 2, 3. Is the lycopodium catching on fire? No? I think there's too many people over here. Let's try this side. Maybe you are lucky. Alright? 1, 2, 3. Is the lycopodium catching on fire? No? No luck here. Maybe the people on my right, since there's lesser people. Alright, so when I count to 3, I want you to hold your breath so we can get more oxygen, alright? So 1, 2, 3, hold your breath. Do you see lycopodium catching on fire?
No.
No? Okay, you can breathe now. Okay, that's strange. We have all these 3 ingredients, but there were no fire. Well, in science, there's always more than one way to do an experiment. So right here, I have an ordinary plastic tube. And in this plastic tube, there is lycopodium powder. And attached to one end will be my initial spark. And last but not least, we need oxygen. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do this experiment in this glass chamber. But first of all, I need a countdown from all of you. Alright, from 5, 4, 3. Oh, okay. Looks like I haven't got my initial spark on. So this proves that we need our initial spark to see fire. So right now, we will be adding some more lycopodium powder into the plastic tube. Alright. Now, let's try it again. shall we? Science is all about trying, right? Alright, so from 5. And there we go, we have a fireball. But why is it we are able to see the fire now? Alright, the answer lies with the contact of oxygen. Alright, when I blew into the tube, all the lycopodium powder was dispersed into a fine mist. And this lycopodium powder comes into very close contact with oxygen. Alright, whereas for the lycopodium powder on a petri dish, they were so compact together, it gets very difficult for them to burn up. So now we have talked a lot about fire. What about the tornado? Alright, the tornado is a swirling motion with a vortex of wind. Now, if you would just focus your attention right above this long and tall, 6 meters tall glass chamber, right below the wooden planks, there are metal fin-like structures arranged in one direction at a certain angle. And all of these are called